Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add signature or fields to a PDF in Docusign. So in order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser in your PC or in your mobile device, and in the search bar you simply need to type docusign.com. Afterwards, you need to just log in into your account if you already have an account on Docusign, or you can even create your account and you can activate your 31 days free trial. Now once you are on this page, you need to click on this start button, and then it will create an envelope for you and it will redirect you on this page. Now over here you just have to upload that particular file on which you want to add the signature. So you simply need to click on this section, then select your file. Once done, you just have to scroll down a bit, and here you need to type your email address and your name. Then you just have to click on the add recipient option. After that, if you have any recipient, then you need to provide their name and their email address. In the next step, you can add any message if you want to add into your document. So after filling out these details, you need to press the next button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After doing so, your document will be opened in front of you and it will show you that there is no signature or date signature over here. So in order to add a signature on top of it, you are going to see various options in the left hand side, such as signature, initial, stamps, etc. So as you want to add a signature, you need to just drag the signature button and drop it over here. After that, you just have to click on the send button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and this way you will be able to add signature or field to a PDF in Docusign. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.